after the solstice, of which this is where I was due to do a ritual. And now I'm happy, very happy to be here to offer my gratitude and to talk to the oaks in the grove of oaks just behind the burial chamber. Let's go. You get the winter sun really low in the sky, right above the chamber. Here's some crows in the background. There's in the hedges here, there are a few robins. It's about 4 degrees today, so it's not too cold. This beautiful sky. And this is where, when I am in Cardiff, this is where I will be coming to do a ritual, which is going to be open to the public, and everybody's welcome. Obviously in the winter there'll be shorter rituals than in the warmer months to come. Look at this beautiful, beautiful. So we're just climbing the mound, and the mound, I'm not sure if you can see the grass. The mound is quite, about 33 meters. It would be, the mound is still underneath us. Now, just a note on this burial chamber, there's been no excavations, so we do not know what is underneath our feet. And when we don't know what's underneath our feet, we have to be, really cognizant of this beautiful Neolithic burial chamber, of which the capstone here stretches from the east over that way, and it points directly to the west. That's why they call it the House of the Rising Sun, because when the sun rises in the east and comes over this hill, I'm going to swing around and go in the direction of the sun. And this is entering from the east, facing the west. Now usually, if I am going to give an offering, much like the people who have come before me, they'll just leave a little flower. Oh, there's a bit of a stone here, looks like it's been hanging. As you see this is just a beautiful chamber. Now meet this lovely grove of oaks. This grove has got, this one particular oak tree here has got a beautiful indentation in its trunk, and it invites you, well it invited me a long time ago to come and sit with it. And hello, my darling tree. Hello, the grove. Just to let everybody know, I have done protocol, and I've asked, even before entering the site, I've asked to be here. And see this little pitch here, it's a beautiful leaning spot that you can coopy down. Coopy down means to bend down, is a Welsh word for bending down at your knees, and you can lean into this tree with your back to the tree, supported by this kind of little seat that it's made. And this tree in particular is my favourite tree. It talks a lot. It's very soothing, very, very beautiful. I'm going to try and look out for, I can hear the crows in the distance, I can't see any in the trees. Let's said, there's this beautiful grove. It's a circle of trees next to the burial chamber that in the summer we most definitely will be frequenting, especially with the folk tell story of this burial chamber that on Midsummer's Eve, if you stay here long enough, the capstone spins 3 times and the supporting stones underneath it make their way down to the river to go and wash. Very interesting. Around midsummer solstice, we'll be doing a ritual up here in the evening. Look at this beautiful, beautiful. Look at all of the spots for the owls to sit in. All the way up the tree. Being sleeping, and I hope I don't disturb them. But this is another beautiful tree. This is what I love. It reaches out and touches the tree that I like to sit with and talk to. And again, we've got beautiful spaces to come and sit with this beautiful, beautiful old lady. Just listen. Chirp, chirp, chirp. And there's blackbirds around. And look at this wonderful little day. Right in the bottom of the oak. Giving life and supporting everything. There's another tradition in Wales that we do in the summer solstice, and that is when the sun sets, which in the summer solstice could be late, around 10, 11 o'clock in the evening. We sing lullabies until the sun rises. So we sing the sun up at summer solstice with lullabies and have a picnic. And so this would be the perfect place just to do that. As long as we don't go mad with that old folk tale you see in the capstone spinning around.